Welcome to this YouTube video, and today I'm going to show you how I made a camera stand for my phone. So here's our 8-pound flywheel from a treadmill, and then we have some 3D printed parts that we're going to use, and then you're going to want a 1 1/4 inch PVC pipe and a 1 inch PVC pipe. So we use 1 1/4 inch and a 1 inch piece of PVC pipe because the 1 inch has a very smooth fit inside the 1 1/4 inch pipe. So the plan is to put a screw here and here to clamp down this 1 inch PVC pipe so we can adjust our height. Alright, so now we have these two holes drilled in, these pieces of plastic. So the plan is to have a screw on the back of this plate, and we're going to use this as the washer, and then we'll have a long screw like this connecting to this washer that goes on the back of the plate, and it will screw into this piece of plastic. Alright, so now we have our piece of plastic screwed in. Alright, so here's the end product. So now let's paint it. Alright, so now I've painted up our brand new stand. So I went with this very nice gray color and it came out pretty well. I left the bottom the same color that it was just because I think it looks better that way. So we have our wing nut. I did paint over this, it doesn't really matter. It just locks in our 1 inch PVC. And so for the camera mount, I have my phone right here. And this piece of wood, I made this in a different video. I kept that. But below it, I used a brand new adapter for one of my other cameras I mounted on there, and that works very nicely. I've already been filming various stuff with it. And so that pretty much is that. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe right here. And if you want to see another video, click right here. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.